guys, I'm Curtis with High Valley. This is my home. Come on in and I'll show you around. Hey guys, welcome to our master bedroom. This is Moran and I's favorite place in the house because this is where we start and end every single day, and it's just beautiful. We got a lot of light colors. I'm a bit of a woodworker. I love making things. This is a chair that I made a while back. I like to build like tables. I just started like spoon carving. I like building all kinds of stuff. I mean, if you go around the house, there's shelves everywhere that I made, and that's just what I love to do. This is an amazing piece from Ashley HomeStore. I love it because it is solid wood. It's got some great color, and it just feels so genuine, and that's what we're all about over here on the Rempel farm. This song was sung at Ren and I's wedding. We love it so much because it talks about falling more and more in love as time goes on, and that's definitely our goal, following in the footsteps of my wife's parents, my parents. This is a picture of my parents on their wedding day just over 40 years ago. Super proud of them for that. We hope that we can do the same. This is us on our wedding day with my in-laws. This corner is pretty sweet because we got two big windows, lots of light coming in. You can usually see a cow out this window, and you can see a horse out of almost every other window in the house. Neighbors got horses, we've got horses here. We absolutely love this space, and we're glad that we were able to show it to you guys here today. I hope you guys enjoyed my This Is Home Nashville tour. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Maybe I'll see you soon on the road. Take care, guys.
Hey, I'm Brad from High Valley. Welcome to our home. Come on in. My wife and I have two very healthy, very active, energetic boys who need to eat a lot. So this is a very important part of the house, the kitchen. I'd love to take a lot of credit for putting all the meals on this beautiful dining table, but my wife is definitely the rock star in that department. But we love hosting people, so it's great for us to have our living area transition right into the most important part, which is the eating area. I don't know if any of you all recognize this furniture, but a lot of this stuff was used in the Ashley HomeStore farmhouse sessions that we shot a little over a year ago. And at the end of the shoot, they said, man, we don't know where to put all this stuff. We don't have room in the warehouse. And I said, I've got an idea of exactly where we could put it. So thank you all. It's been put to very, very good use. And now let's show you the bedroom. In my line of work, I spend a whole lot of nights obviously sleeping on the tour bus, a lot of them in some hotels all across the nation, but there's no bed on earth that I sleep better on than this one right here. And I absolutely love coming back, home to our bedroom, and we love kind of the farmhouse vibe that we got going on in here. A little more rustic, if you will, and most importantly though, it's just a great room for me to rest and get ready for the next big tour. So if y'all don't mind getting out of here, I'm gonna have a nap right now. Just kidding, but seriously. Well, that was fun. I really hope you enjoyed my This Is Home Nashville tour. See you soon.
Acoustic or electric?
Acoustic.
Acoustic.
City or countryside?
Countryside.
Country.
Cowboy boots or hat?
Hat.
Boots.
Salty or sweet?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird. Curtis will have said night owl though, I guarantee.
Night owl.
Binge watching on the sofa or a bed?
Sofa.
Definitely sofa. I learned to keep the TV out of the bedroom.
Full house or a few friends?
A few friends.
Full house.
Dinner party or tailgate?
Man. All the food, anywhere.
Dinner party.
Oldies or pop?
Pop.
Oldies.
Home cooking or eating out?
Home cooking.
Home cooking unless it's Mexican, then we eat out.